Hi there, it's me again, Teacher Melike from English Central, your favorite English teacher, but don't tell your school teachers. Welcome back. Today we are going to continue on perfect tenses. Our next form trust to conquer is past perfect continuous tense. First things first, what is the past perfect continuous tense? Well, it's a mouthful, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Past perfect continuous tense is an English tense used to describe actions or events that were ongoing in the past and continued up to a point in the past. This tense adds a layer of depth to your storytelling. Now let's break down the structure of the past perfect continuous tense. To form it, you need three main components: the subject, had been, and the ing form of the verb at the end. For example, I had been studying, they had been working, and she had been dancing. The past perfect continuous tense is used in many situations, making it an important part of English grammar. Here are some common scenarios where this tense is especially valuable. Actions started in the past and continued up to a point in the past, showing the duration of an action in the past. Actions that were interrupted by another action or event in the past. But do you know what won't be in the past? Our free live lesson offer. Yes, you heard it correct. We offer you your first lesson for free. And that's not all. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link in the description box to visit our website englishcentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. But for now, let's continue. Now let's explore a few examples to show these scenarios. Action continuing to a specific point. She had been running for an hour before she finally stopped. They had been living in that house for 10 years before they moved. Showing the duration. He had been working all night, so he was exhausted in the morning. I had been studying for hours when I realized I needed a break. Interruption by another action. She had been reading a book when the phone rang. They had been cooking dinner when the power went out. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using past perfect continuous tense. Don't confuse it with the simple past continuous tense, which is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past, but not necessarily up to a specific point. Use had been before the verb, not had or been alone. Be cautious with the duration. Make sure it's clearly stated in your sentence. To become more comfortable with the past perfect continuous tense and improve your English skills, I encourage you to practice. Write sentences using this tense and share them in the comments below. I'll be happy to give you feedback and answer any questions you may have. That's a wrap for today's video on past perfect continuous tense, an important topic in English grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you are now prepared to use the past perfect continuous tense with confidence. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.